Tools required for assembly: 8 size and 10 size wrench, flat screwdriver, crimping tool, 13 size pipe wrench. Take off the pads. Crimp with the crimping tool, then connect the crimped cables to the Navilite, respecting the polarities. Screw the Navilite to its base. Open the box, connect first the battery to the regulator. Pass the cable through the side hole, tighten it, then connect the solar panel to the regulator. Always connect the solar panel after the battery on the regulator. Pass the cable through the side hole, tighten it, then connect the Navilite to the regulator. Close the box using the key, then set the frame on the solar panel to its base. Set the Navilite with its bracket to the solar kit support or vertically on the obstacle. Navilite with flashing device. In that case, between the regulator and the Navilite, connect the flashing device with its extra cable.